How to activate bank account on Google Pay. Hello everyone, welcome to another tutorial. In this video, I'll show you how you can activate your bank account on Google Pay. So let's go ahead. The first step is for you to log in into your Google Pay account, just like I've done here. And so after logging in, the next step is to move to the top right corner of the screen, click on your profile photo, and in the drop down menu that appears, ensure you select payment methods. All right, then when selecting payment method and I take it to your payment methods page, you'll see your options here, the different kind of payment method that you can add, which includes payment card. You can see loyalty card, your transport pass, gift card, photo, and then if you're in a location that supports bank account, you will see the bank account tab here. So once you can see that, just click on bank account and go ahead to add your bank account. All right, by clicking on add bank account, your list of banks supported by Google Pay will be displayed. So ensure you select your own, and after selecting your own bank, follow the prompts to verify your account, and then your bank account will be added. Now, in order for your account to be verified, you have to enter in your debit card details. All right, and then you have to create a UPI pin, and then once you've done that, your account will be verified and your bank account will be activated and ready for transactions. So that is basically how to do it. So in order for you to activate your bank account, ensure you verify the bank account that you've added already to your Google Pay account. So that is it. Thank you for watching and have a good day.